This last part asks us to figure out who has the comparative advantage in the production of chips. So what we need to do is look at the comparative advantage for the US and the comparative advantage for England when producing chips. We found out in this earlier example that England is giving up 4 fish per chip when they produce chips. And, um, and so we know that England's cost is equal to 4 fish per chip. For the US, we want to know how many fish per chips they give up. So we look and we see 100 fish per 50 chips. It's 2 fish per chip. So that tells me that the comparative advantage, the country that can buy chips for the lowest cost in terms of fish given up, is the US. So the US has a comparative advantage in the production of chips. We also know by extension then that England would have the comparative advantage in the production of fish because they would be giving up fewer chips per fish than the U.S. So that's what the English should do is that they should produce fish, the U.S. should produce chips, the two countries should trade and end up with more consumption possibilities because of trade.